Hey folks, it's Timmy the Bunker Boy here. How you doing? I hope you're all doing great in your bunkers. Just in case you think I sound a little different, I've watched so much of the hit show Friends that I think I've lost my accent. So I don't have my accent, I forgot it, but I'll tell you what I don't want to forget, how to play bass. I used to be quite a bass guitarist back in the day, so this episode, I'm going to show you how to make a bunker bass. All right, so here's what we do. Made a little diagram for you. See, version 1, what you want here is you want a garbage can lid, preferably Rubbermaid, a 2x4 made of wood, fishing line, and some screws. You see attached right here for version 1. You see attached right here. There's the lines. You could make a strap out of an old belt if you want. If you have a belt you're not using, you could use that. I'll be honest, the bass sounds terrible. It sounds bad, but you know what? You just want to practice. You just want to practice. That way, when all this blows over, you could go to your local bar and you could play your bar shows. Got to keep practicing. I forgot my accent. Won't forget the bass. And after a while, who knows? Maybe you're going to get so good, you'll be as good as the great Donald Duck Dunn. Famous bassist. Oh, fun. I can't wait to get back there playing the bands and play on at the basement of the Applebee's they have in Old Toms River, New Jersey. All right, I'm Timmy. Remember, stay inside. Don't leave.